If you've added a new listing to the MLS in the last few weeks, you may have noticed this new link in the media section. Floor plans are a great addition to your listing marketing, but what they don't tell you is what may end up costing you a bundle. Hey everyone, I'm Pete Stagel with Servant 360. If you're new here, we share tips and strategies that help realtors sell more houses faster and for more money. Make sure to like and subscribe to always be notified when we release these weekly videos. In the 2020 NAR Trends Report, floor plans were the third most useful marketing feature that buyers looked at online, below only photos and property information. Buyers need more than just photos to help them make decisions earlier in the home search process. A new, fast, and easy way to add a floor plan to your new listing has popped up on your Flex MLS account. But should you use it? Flow Plan promises a quick scan and 24-hour turnaround for a floor plan. However, that's probably not all you need. These automated floor plans don't give you measurements or square footage, and isn't that what you get a floor plan for? If you've gotten a square footage verification from your favorite appraiser or measurement provider, then maybe a floor plan only will work for you. Otherwise, you'll be paying for effectively the same service multiple times. That's why we provide laser-measured floor plans, measurements, and square footage calculations all in one with our iGuide system. The iGuide's 0.5% margin of error ensures that you have accurate data to work with, especially since one of the top E&O claims here in New Mexico is for square footage inaccuracies. You get a clear and concise branded PDF to upload to the MLS, along with images that you can add to the listing photos or for your other marketing materials. And if you order one of our packages with a virtual tour, the floor plan is integrated right into the tour so you never get lost or confused as to where you are. Buyers are looking for floor plans on your listings. Make sure they're accurate and include all the info they're looking for. Don't waste your time and money to get only half the picture. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when we release new videos just like this. And let us know down in the comments what type of content you'd like to see from us in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, it's our pleasure to serve.